I have been with Edelweiss for over 10 years. I joined Edelweiss in 2001. That time Edelweiss was a very small company. We were a boutique investment bank, and I joined the company because I knew an exceptionally smart individual who was running the company, and was very convinced with the vision of Rashesh to create a larger organization. And it's been a very interesting journey, very enriching journey over the last 10 years, and I think for many more years to go. Over the last 10 years, we have created the very large financial services company, largest domestic brokerage house, and during this process, I personally learned a lot of things, got a chance to do many things which I would not have imagined otherwise. I have gained experience in varied field, right from the subject to handling people. It's been a very enriching journey.
So when I joined Edelweiss, we were relatively a much smaller organization, and we had a lot less experience in investment banking as compared to what we are today. So I have really been part of the growth phase of the investment banking business from where it was earlier to where it is today, where we are a fully integrated, diversified platform with strong market share in our various product categories. And this growth has obviously given me a lot of opportunities for learning from the product standpoint, as well as from management, as well as team building standpoint. And that really has been a fantastic experience for me. While we started with being a more wholesale oriented investment banking, institutional broking and asset management platform, today we are in a position and we have a brand which is substantial enough for us to be able to capitalize on the mass of retail and access opportunities in that space. So this really establishes Edelweiss as a brand to be reckoned with in the financial services space.
How I got into Edelweiss? Well, I wasn't on their shortlist and I was just dying to join this company. So I met with the people who had come down to the campus in my final placement, and they said, okay, you are not on our shortlist, but if you're so keen, we can have a look at you on our way back. So on their way back from campus to the airport, which is a grueling 2.5-hour drive, they grilled me, and I really can't describe what I went through. It's probably the longest 2.5 hours of my life, and I was 100% sure that I wasn't going to get through that interview. It's been a really amazing journey. Never felt that there's something missing in what I'm doing, the kind of responsibilities that I got. From the very start, I just went through a 2-month training process, which was on the job, and straight away I was given responsibilities, and it was like living a trader's life fast forwarded.
I started off working as an investment professional, helping to look after our offshore funds. I did that for the better part of 2.5 years. Then I moved on to the domestic AMC, where I had the investments piece. And of lately, I've been involved in some of the asset liability management issues that we face as a company. If I had to describe Edelweiss, the key things that would come to mind are hungry, eager for growth, fairly aggressive, capable of taking risks, and on both sides. I mean, sometimes good risks don't work out. As long as risks are properly thought out and well taken, we appreciate that fact. So if you're someone who's looking for personal growth, you're willing to work extremely hard, and you can stand the process of taking risks, I think this is a great place to work in.
I think what differentiates Edelweiss as an organization is that we offer a phenomenal amount of freedom and opportunity to our team, and from the beginning you're exposed to all the facets of the business, and this gives newcomers great opportunities to grow rapidly in their roles and build their own capabilities and be able to stamp their footprint as they go forward. And that really has been a hallmark of the way that we have built the organization over the last few years.
I think one of the unique thing about this organization is, we have given opportunities to people to grow at a faster pace, to take on the challenges in an entrepreneurial fashion, and to take risks on individual, and I think make things big. as the organization has grown, I think a lot of people have grown at a very rapid pace, including myself, which probably people would not have grown in other organizations.